Do you want to know how to use template on Notion? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Well, let's get started. Just go ahead and open the Notion app on your laptop. Once you do that, you're gonna see options like search, Notion AI, home, inbox, etc. on the left side of the screen. Go ahead, scroll down, then tap on templates option. There you can see categories like discover, work, life, and school. You can select the templates from there or simply tap on the search bar and type in the type of template that you want. Once you do that, go ahead, scroll down and look for the template that you want to use. Once you find one, go ahead and tap on it. Then wait for a couple of seconds, then select Add from the screen, which is the button right beside Preview. Once you do that, it will let you know when it's ready and is on your workspace. You'll find it right here under Private option on the left side of the screen, like this. Once you do that, just go ahead and tap on it, then start using that template. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.